Good morning, everybody, here at Home Depot. Looking at this off-grid cabin shed thing. You could definitely turn this into something kind of cool. Starts at 9,200. Doesn't show what this one's shown is, but here's the model and stuff. You can definitely put a window up top. This one doesn't have one, but if you needed to. It's got windows on the front, side, and back, and you'll see when we walk in here how it is. But I like it. This door is super heavy, and it has this auto close on it. Got good lighting in here. It's a cloudy day, still pretty light. Built well. You could definitely have two-sided lofts. Right, and close the top and put some stairs if you wanted to. Definitely at least a starter tiny home, off-grid little cabin. I mean, not much to it, but definitely built pretty solid. Tells you a little bit about it. Better floor, better door, better walls. Let's see if it has as is. No, that's what this one includes. And there's the pricing of various models, so actually that's just what it includes. 50-year limited warranty on the wood. But yeah, let's go outside and look at the exterior. It's got a lock on here. This closer. We'll go around the outside. It's painted. Nice tin roof. So yeah, it's a little smaller than that last one that I sent a video of, but definitely you could definitely make it work. Doesn't have that front porch. You could put a little overhang on there, put a window up top if you wanted, but definitely big enough for a starter outdoor cabin. Let me know what y'all think.